Look who's looking at you. Look. How did that get here? How did that get here?
No, oh no.
How did he get in here? Did he follow you home?
No.
Is that a note?
Yeah.
Get the note. What does it say?
You can't touch it because it guy's lying. No, it's on back.
Oh, it's on the back.
Yeah. Almost.
It says, "Hi girls, I'm visiting from Jaden's house. Be good at school today. Steve." You sure, Daddy? Tell Daddy come look.